Guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. So I did some shopping from BeautyBigBang.com and this is the look I created using that eye palette which I have taken from Beauty Big Bang, and I just wanted to show you all those products. I will have a quick replay of how I created this look at the end of this video. 18 shades available in this palette, from which 7 are glitter eyeshadows, pressed glitter, and rest are matte eyeshadows. So all the matte eyeshadows and all the glitter eyeshadows pigmentation is really good. For the price of this, you cannot get better than this. I just wanted to create this look from long time, guys. I wanted to try out this cut crease look, and I really wanted a good eyeliner, glitter eyeliner, and I have got it on BeautyBigBang.com. I actually took it from this site, and this is the shade. You can see this is silver eyeshadow, which I have just used it to define my crease, and this is my first try, so I have tried my level best. I know there is a scope for improvement. It's a glitter eyeliner from Urban Decay, and that was very costly, and I wanted something cheaper and affordable for me, so I actually came across this product, and this is really good, guys. If you're looking for a silver glitter eyeliner, and they have so many shades in this, so if you want gold, if you want green, purple, I think they have a lot of colors, so you can check on their site for glitter eyeliners like this, and this is really awesome product. Because I wanted to create something different with this combination, I created a very glam look, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use it for very soft and subtle look. There are a lot of shades which you can use to create a natural look also. That this is the pigmentation what you get for wine color. So the pigmentation is awesome, guys. I really loved it. Can you see this? This is the wine color which I have just swatched from the matte shades, and even the rose gold color is so awesome. Can you just see the pigmentation and the quality of this? Quality is really good. You just have to take care that you do not press the glitter eyeliners too hard, because they are, I think, delicate. I just tried to press it too hard while taking on my eyelid when I was trying first time, when I used it first time, so that was my mistake, but I didn't face any issue for the rest of the colors. So what I feel is you just have to be careful with the glitter eyeshadows, and sometimes if they are not coming with the brush, you just have to either use some setting spray or use your finger and just apply it. So you can use my coupon code and get yourself 10% off on any particular product. So yeah guys, that's all about this haul and this makeup look. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.